Which number is larger, 3 to power 444 or 4 to power 333? To find this, the very first thing we need to do is to rewrite these exponents. So this can be written as 3 to power 4 multiply 111 and 4 to power 3 multiply 111. Now we are going to use the exponential rule, which is a to power m bracket power n equals to a to power m multiply n. So this can be rewrite as 3 to power 4 bracket power 111. Similarly, 4 to power 3 bracket power 111. 3 to power 4 equals to 81 to power 111 and 4 to power 3 is equals to 64 to power 111. Now both numbers have the same exponents, therefore the bigger base must be the larger number. As base 81 is bigger, therefore 3 to power 444 is the larger number.